Hello, today I'm going to do swatches of Global One Strokes. I received many paints from them for competitions, just to do some artworks, and I gathered so many of them, so I thought, well, I need to do a video. Here are one strokes that I have from Global. They're all available to buy separately apart from this red one, which is a part of a palette which is called Fairy Friends, made by Kohacha Art. I love all of these combinations and I use all of these combinations. I also have 4 splits, and although I'm not using a lot splits generally, they have amazing colors and I reach for them from time to time. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. Each color I'm going to try on fake skin and on my arm. These 2 blue colors I'm using often for boys designs, for dragons, for dolphins, or even for leaves for the flowers. The left one I will use for bigger items, and the right one probably I can use just a part of it with a smaller brush, because on the left one the color from dark to light is changing more gradually, and on the right I can use in items which are generally light blue, but on the side they have a sharp dark shadow. Next, 2 green colors, mostly I will use for leaves or for dragons or for any other like boys design. The right one also looks nice for a mane for a unicorn. By the way, if you like one-stroke technique or you would like to learn it, there is a Facebook group for you which is called One Stroke Beauty. You can find a lot of inspiration there, or you can show your work. There is also a special chart for you at the top of the group where you can find artists who inspire the whole world with their one-stroke designs. You can tick all the artists that inspire you, or you can add your own one if they are not there. The neon rainbow I'm mostly using as neon rainbow. It also goes nicely as rainbow swirls around some objects. The pink and green on the right I'm normally using separately with the smaller brushes. So I'm using white and pink for petals and white and green for leaves, for example. Orange and purple is really nice for flower petals, but also I use it for swirls. This blue, pink and purple is nice to use separately for unicorns, but also makes nice swirls or use instead of a rainbow. I'm using pink mostly for flowers, for petals, for unicorns, generally girly stuff. This yellow, orange, red and dark red is amazing for so many things, like fire, dragon, petals, whatever you want, it's just amazing. I really like this brown, apart from drawing some trees, it could be a bear, whatever brown animal, but it's also very good for a flower. This pink and yellow is very sweet, just whatever girly, I love it. Very nice, deep, intensive red colors. Similar to the one to the right, the orange and red, I can use it for so many things. I always like to have in my kit white, grey and black combination. You can paint whatever in grayscale, you can do wolf or even a flower. So here are all the colors on the hand, on the rubber and in the box. And I definitely like them more on my arm rather than on the rubber. Now time to try split cakes. Like with the one strokes, I like them all for different combinations for different projects. I quite often use them for stencils if I don't use them for a background. Generally, I don't use them too much because I prefer one stroke, but I like to add them, for example, for a butterfly as a background or something that is a little bit bigger that I normally paint with one stroke brush. Although some of the cakes are discontinued, I decided to still include them in case somebody likes this color combination and would like to add them on their own. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll see you soon. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup, and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there!